when I got sick with my gallbladder, how many years ago, I tried every veggie burger, every tofu, you name it. I already know. By then I already knew what my favorite was.
Was it Save-Ons or Extra Foods you get it?
Save-Ons. IGA, I like to go to IGA Marketplace.
Yeah.
Because they have their own butcher there.
Show me sometime. I can go try it. Go snack some. I'm starting smoking again. Tried not to get back into it, but I did.
I represent, watching if I kept you slipping, best believe what you got the sound of style when I crack you on the chin. But then I grin as I break once again. And when your knees be so cold, nigga, you be seeing spells I'm laying in the cup to fuck you up. Checkers, I'm a fight in the crib, ride. You see me every night. If you got me for me, what nigga, you know we can fight. I got my lovers so we sleep with a fat shot. I keep the pistol in my pocket cause I watch my own damn back.
They dug up over on Granville and Davie. Did you see it? One road's all dug up. I was trying to get over to Granville and Davie, and it's all, that road is all dug up, so I had to go around, ended up having to cross the bridge. I'm like, I haven't been here in a long time, I'm thinking I'm going to get lost. I was like, hey, it's just like home, I remember it, so I was able to find my way around, come right back across the bridge.
Must be busy on the bridge. I haven't had root beer for a while.
This is a nice car. I almost got one like this. That's a fast little car. It's got a V8 in it. May not look much, but it's fast. Always from Squamish. Oh no. Company came down here, eh? This makes me wish I had my Opel in it. This little car in front. Reminds me of my Opel I had. There a little silver one.
I don't remember that one.
It looked like a little Corvette. Convertible. Like this top. I had that before. I had the 2000 Cavalier. Cute little car.
In which we call it land. Cause when you see us coming, no, don't panic. I want your whole damn life, and now I feel up to ears, even smoke.
Wasn't in one of these buildings that someone got thrown out the window?
No.
Which building was it?
In Surrey?
Oh, it was in Surrey.
Yeah. Where Reed used to live, it was on Old Yale Road.
Yeah.
And he's about just a few blocks from it.
Really? He was that close?
Reed didn't even like to go for a walk at night.
He mentioned that the dad said it felt like he was in a. He was kind of claustrophobic because of even the house he was in didn't really have many windows.
At what?
Didn't really have many windows. Or something to do with that. He couldn't really see outside. He's looking to move again.
He moved to Coquitlam. Is that the one he's talking about? Or the one in...
Don't know. I got there when him and Dad were talking.
Oh. Yeah, he just moved to Coquitlam to a small place.
Oh, maybe that's the one he's talking about.
Yeah. So the first time he stays with him. For how long? So we said it's a real small place, Mom.
Richie, can you put in my CD?
Sure.
Getting a small soft drink, small fries, and our choice of a double meat burger.
He pays pretty good rent there too, I guess.
Oh, really? That's cool.
I think it's like $700.
Wow. Look at the traffic. Holy moly.
It's one way going that way on the bridge, that's why.
Holy.
It would have been okay, but if it was two-way, but it doesn't do that till 6:30 or 7.
That'd be scary. That's one car I gotta get. Gotta get one like that sometime.